Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to create open-ended questions in my Mercury question bank module. So you can ask open-ended questions, we can say essay type questions, for your online assessments for your students on my Mercury question bank tools. Okay, so I am in academic here. Go to academic question bank. This page will appear for you, and you need to say add new question. Add here. So here you will see the options, but I will try to say something. It's very important. You can there in the options you see essay here, as I told you before, essay here, but this will not work for our context because this essay question is not a usual open-ended question. So this essay question is not a usual open-ended question because this essay question, if you ask this essay tool, if you use this essay tool to ask open-ended questions, you will not be able to see the student answer because this essay tool works with keywords. So that means you ask a question here, you help the students with the text, but if you do not add keywords, you will not see the student answer. You never see the student answer. For example, let's say you ask describe the stages of photosynthesis in a biology question. So you need to include a sample text, sample answer, or you should include keywords. For example, energy, sun, light, or the others, whatever it is necessary to describe photosynthesis. So the computer itself checks the student answer and checks whether the student uses the keywords or whether the student answer is close to your sample solution text or not. So this is not suitable for our context because you will not see the student's sentence structure, the student's mistakes. You will not be able to see the student's answer itself. So although it is called an essay question, this is not suitable for our context. So what should you do? What should you do? You need to choose another option. I go back to question bank again. I say add a question, and in order to ask an open-ended question which is suitable for our context, for our schools, in which you can see the student answer yourself, you need to choose questionnaire here. This is added recently to my Mercury. You need to you need to use questionnaire. In question bank, you need to choose questionnaire. I click on questionnaire here. Okay, now it appears. First, you need to use a title. So I type, this is a demonstration, demo 1 open-ended question. Okay, open-ended. So you can choose any title for yourself. These titles will be helpful for you to identify the questions while creating your exams. Okay, this is very important. Now here, one by one, you can add one. Okay, one element is one question. So you can ask more than you can add more than one open-ended question here. Okay, so here in the library you need to choose open-ended question. We already have multiple choice as a tool. So here in the library you choose open-ended question and it will appear. You can change the title again, untitled open-ended question. So I say demo 1. Okay, and you type your question here, or you copy and you paste your question here. Okay, I will just say analyze the reasons, okay, political reasons for World War One, okay, World War I, the First World War, okay. So this is my question. Analyze the political reason. So the students should analyze. The student should type something. Here, this text will appear in the text box. The student will type. It will be removed automatically. I will show you. It can say it can remain the same. Start writing, or you can say type your answer here. This will appear for the student, but it will disappear when the student starts typing. Input rows. Okay, this is it doesn't have to be one line. I recommend you to keep it as much as you can, because the students will be able to write as much as they can. Okay, so I say required field. They must answer this question. They shouldn't skip this question. Okay, here you can these things will not be very necessary for you. Okay, so if you want to add another element, you can add, but I recommend you to keep them one by one. I will show you why. So I typed a title. Okay, I chose open-ended question here. I wrote the title again. I wrote the question here. I typed the question here, and here this is not very important. You can change it or not. When the student starts typing, this will disappear. Keep the lines as much as you can. Okay, now my question is ready. I say create. Okay. I say create. Okay, now I need to choose education levels. I say grade 11. Okay, subject as I did before, English language arts. Topic I say demo. Difficulty level middle. Label it's a quiz. Okay, you know these things. I say save and continue. Okay, now I need to add my question to exam. I go to on LMS, I go to tests and exams. Now I need to add a new exam, or you can add this question to the exams you did before. Let me add this question to the exam I did before. You see this is from webinar demo online. Here I go and I say question bank. I say add. Okay, you see here among the options demo 1 open-ended. I choose it and I say continue. Okay, let's see. Here the open-ended is here. I will take it up to show you. Okay, and okay, I added my question here. Now I will show you how the students see the question. I'm on the exams. Okay, here. This is my exam. I can activate it or not, but just here I will show you a preview. You see that? Required, analyze the political reasons for World War I. You see, type your answer here. When the student starts typing, it will disappear. The student can type the answer here, and if there are more than one question in this set, the student can go on, and these are the other questions we created before, you know. So this is how the exam will appear for the student, and this is how an open-ended question will appear for the student. So please use questionnaire for your open-ended questions. Do not use essay for your open-ended questions, because essay works only with keywords. If you use essay, you will not see, we will not be able to see your students' answers. But here, if you use questionnaire, if you create this way, you will see your students' answers. This is how the student sees it. Okay, thank you so much. This video is about how you can create open-ended questions and how you can add these questions to your online exams. Thank you so much.